Good morning, day traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade review for today. So the daily, we ended up with another green bar, and the important thing here is that we have closed above the previous high. Okay, so there's the previous all-time high, so we officially have a new all-time high. Okay, so that just puts us into a territory where if we look to the left, we don't really have anything to act as support or resistance. So what we need to start doing is looking at measured moves. Now the first measured move is obviously this double bottom. I've got the measured move here, so it's basically the height of the double bottom, which goes to that level there. That's the first one. Okay, and then we have a second measured move. There was our move up. We then came down, consolidated basically, and we moved back to the upside. So two levels to the upside are those two there. Okay, let me just tidy this up, and then we can go and look. So in other words, what we're looking for is definitely looking for longs. And we're looking for one of those levels to be tagged. Okay, you can see we've had a sort of on the 3 hour, you can see a very clear pullback onto the all-time high. Buyer stepped in and pretty much drove it into the close. So what we do have here is a little bit more consolidation. Okay, trend is very much to the upside, so we should be looking for longs. Any pullback we're looking to buy. And hour, you can see it a little bit clearer. We've got pin bars, pin bars, pin bars. Yes, we ended up with an inside bar here, and we've got some diversions as well on the hour. So could be leaning towards another test of the all-time high, or alternatively, you can see there's already there's a first trend line, and then we have the second one that is right there. I'm just going to focus on that one for now. Okay, and if I add my other line in, that becomes a channel. And you can see top of the channel is pretty much the first measured move, which is the double bottom. Okay, so I think for me at the moment, it's still long. Whatever you're looking for longs. There's no reason to be short at the moment. There's a lot of good political noise happening at the moment. And yeah, I think it's what the politicians need right now. Is they need some stability and something that's going to make them look good. So one of the things would be to let the market close on a pretty much all-time high. And I have a feeling that's exactly what's going to happen. So the other area here is obviously the high of yesterday. And you can see we came back to close on it. There's the high. And this was the final hour of trading. Then we came back to close on it. And now we're sort of hovering inside it. Okay. I still see a bit of a flat top triangle here. So I'm expecting another break up. And pretty much the break I'm expecting is something like that. And that consolidation hits that first level. Okay. If we just move lower down, not much is going to change. So nothing really is changing. We're still pretty much in a very strong uptrend. The only concerning factor here is all this diversions. There's quite a bit of diversions here. So that's the only concerning factor that I have at the moment. For me, what I'd be looking for is any pullback I'd be looking to buy into. Okay, and we've also got a bit of a cup and handle forming here, cup handle. So this level here of 275.15 is a level that we need to watch for a break to the upside. Okay, we get that break, then you have pretty much an area which is almost halfway of the range, which is 50% of the range, which is right here, 274.60. That would be my stop area. Okay, but again, we need to wait for Europe Open before we start jumping in on this. So I think yesterday, this was pretty much Europe Open here. So that was the opportunity to get in. If we look at the 12 minutes, bounce off the alligator here, there was your entry. And pretty much you had this exhaustion bar through the level, and you saw this mess get out and wait back at the all-time high, which is this level here, 274.21. Okay, so anyway, that's currently my view. If we just have a look at the ichimoku, you can see on the 12 minute we had some indecision here with all these tails, and then moved down to come and test all-time high, and we are now with a crossover and we're above the cloud, so that's bullish. 30 minutes is bullish as well. We had a bit of indecision yesterday, but at the moment we're bullish. 1 hour, we are ranging currently, but we are still bullish. Okay, and 3 hour, sorry, we want the 3 hour, we want the 4 hour. 4 hour, we do have a bit of a flat Kijinson here, so we've got some divergence here, which is a bit of a warning, and this is looking a little bit tired, but I do honestly believe that we're going to tag that at least that double top target. And the daily, pretty much the same. We're ending up, because of yesterday's sort of ranging, we've got a flat Kijinson at the moment. Okay, everything else is bullish, but it's just indicating that we should be looking for a pullback. Now, pullbacks would be lovely to come back all the way down to 27.134 for another assault at that all-time high. But the fact that we have closed above it, I think this area of 27426 is definitely going to be defended. Okay, and you notice we've got a big green bar, smallish green bar, so I would expect another small green bar. And that small green bar pretty much lines up with our double top at 27,600. Okay, we're sitting at 27,500 at the moment, so it's got to get through that. Then it's 27,600. And the other thing that you need to bear in mind is every single round number, so 27,500, 27,600, 27,700, 2,800, those are going to be your targets for as long as we're in all-time high territory, because you need measured moves and you need round numbers. Those are the ones you need to target. Okay, anyway guys, that's kind of my view for this morning. Hope that helps, and long it is, just either wait for the pullbacks or take the breakouts. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.